This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Francine Arroyo Santowski. One or more photos has been virtually staged. Move-in ready condo in the heart of Longwood. This floor plan creates a spacious, inviting atmosphere, making it the ideal space to call home or possible investment opportunity. Discover comfort, convenience, and value in this charming 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo located in the well-established Springwood Village community. Nestled in a tranquil, wooded setting, this unit offers easy living just minutes from I-4, shopping, dining, and top-rated Seminole County schools. Step inside to find a bright, open living and dining area, freshly painted with neutral tones and new luxury vinyl flooring throughout. A fully renovated bathroom with tub and spacious 2 bedrooms with built-in closet. A back patio with a beautiful landscape view allows for relaxing moments enjoying the beautiful landscaping and FL weather. The unit is conveniently located and is walking distance to community amenities such as clubhouse with kitchen/grill, fitness room, basketball court, tennis courts, an amazing pool and the laundry facility. Don't miss this opportunity to own in one of Longwood's most convenient and affordable communities. Schedule your showing today and make Springwood Circle your new home. For more information, review the details below.